Picture this. You're making dinner. You pick up a knife. You cut one single onion. And within seconds, you are openly weeping into your chopping board, like the onion just told you some tragic news. Here is exactly what's happening, and how to make it stop. First, you need to understand something. The onion is attacking you. On purpose. This is a defense mechanism. Onions grow underground, and they really don't want to be eaten, so they evolved chemical warfare. And you, holding the knife, just stepped on the landmine. Here's the genius part. Inside every onion cell are two things, kept in separate compartments, like keeping bleach and ammonia on different shelves. One is a group of sulfur compounds. The other is an enzyme called alliinase. Apart, they are harmless. Together, they are a weapon. When you slice the onion, you rupture those cells, and the two finally meet. The enzyme goes to work, and triggers a chain reaction that produces a brand new gas, with an absolutely ridiculous name. Syn-propanethial-S-oxide. Scientists just call it the lachrymatory-factor. Lachrymatory means, makes you cry. Yes, that is its actual job title. This gas is light, so it floats straight up, off the chopping board, and directly into your face. And when it lands on the thin layer of water covering your eyeballs, it reacts again, and forms a tiny amount of sulfuric acid. Right on your eyes. Now your eyes are not happy. They have acid on them. So they hit the panic button. Your tear glands flood the area with water, to dilute the acid and wash it away as fast as possible. That flood is you crying. You are not sad. You are being chemically decontaminated by your own face. And the wild part? Onions did not evolve this to annoy you. They evolved it to fight off insects, fungi, and hungry animals. You are just collateral damage in a war that's been going on for millions of years. The onion does not care about your dinner. Scientists were so fascinated by this that in 2002, a team in Japan tracked down the exact enzyme responsible and named it lachrymatory-factor synthase. They later switched it off and created a completely tear-free onion. It won an Ig Nobel Prize. Somewhere, an onion is furious. Okay. Enough biology. How do you actually win? Here are the tricks that genuinely work, and why. Number 1. Chill the onion. Pop it in the fridge or freezer for 10 minutes first. Cold slows the enzyme down and makes the gas less eager to float up. Fewer fumes, fewer tears. Number 2. Use a sharp knife. A dull knife crushes and ruptures far more cells, releasing far more gas. A sharp knife slices cleanly and breaks fewer cells. Less collateral damage. Number 3. Get the gas away from your face. Cut next to a running fan or near an open window. No gas at your eyes, no acid, no tears. Number 4. Cut the root last. The hairy root end has the highest concentration of those sulfur compounds. Leave it intact as long as possible, and you delay the worst of the attack. And number 5. The nuclear option. Just wear goggles. Yes, you will look ridiculous. But the onion cannot touch you, and frankly, that is a price worth paying. So the next time you find yourself crying into your dinner, remember. You are not weak. You are simply losing a chemical battle to a vegetable that has been preparing for this fight its entire life. If you just learned something gloriously useless, hit subscribe. We answer questions like these all the time.